Swagbucks video offers can stop loading when the app, browser, account connection, or network settings prevent the offers from displaying correctly. By the end, you'll know the main steps to troubleshoot missing or stuck Swagbucks video offers and what to check before contacting support. Start by checking your internet connection. Video offers need a stable connection to load properly, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the issue is network-related. Next, refresh your Swagbucks session. Sign out of your account, close the app or browser completely, then sign back in. This can fix temporary loading problems caused by an outdated session. If you use the Swagbucks app, check whether it needs an update. App updates often include fixes for loading issues, compatibility problems, and performance bugs. If you use Swagbucks through a browser, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can interfere with websites loading updated content. Browser extensions can also affect video offers. Disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, or other browser tools temporarily and check whether the offers appear. Try opening Swagbucks on another browser or device. If video offers load somewhere else, the problem is likely connected to your original browser or device settings. Make sure your device software is updated. Older operating systems can create compatibility issues with newer versions of apps and websites. Check that you are logged into the correct Swagbucks account. Switching accounts or using a different login can make available offers appear differently. Avoid using private browsing mode when testing video offers. Some browser privacy settings can block features that require account tracking. If the offers load but videos freeze or stop before completion, restart your device and test again. A device restart can clear temporary background problems affecting playback. If none of these steps work, the issue may be related to Swagbucks availability for your account or a temporary service problem. Contact Swagbucks support and include your device type, browser or app version, and a description of what happens when you try to load the offers. The main fixes are refreshing your account session, updating the app or browser, clearing stored data, and checking for settings that block loading. Start with the quickest solution. Close Swagbucks completely, reopen it, and check again before moving to more advanced fixes. If this guide helped you fix Swagbucks video offers not loading, subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides and practical fixes.